Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Anuj Agrawal and I am a senior resident in Radiology department of Safdarjung Hospital. Today I will tell you about one application which is very useful for radiologist, and through this application you can see the radiological anatomy of any structure. For example, it can be CT head, MRI head, it can be abdominal CT, or it can be a complex thing like musculoskeletal MRIs like shoulder joint or knee joint. You can scroll through the images and you can see the labeled structures like what are the muscles, what are the arteries, and what are the different structures. So let's go ahead. The application is known as IMAOS e-anatomy and it works both on Apple devices as well as Windows and Android mobile. You can install it on your Android phone, or the Android applications can be played on your Windows laptop with the help of an application called as BlueStack. So using BlueStack, I am opening the Android application in my laptop. So I am clicking the e-anatomy icon because I have installed this application already in my Windows laptop. And now you can see that various structures like brain, CT and MRI, face and neck, face CT, and all those images are being shown here. And we can scroll down, we can see that anatomy of whole of the body is given like thorax CT, coronary CT, then CT of abdominopelvic area, pelvis MRI, everything is given in this application. And you can see that even the musculoskeletal MRIs and like shoulder MRI, wrist MRI, lower extremity MRI, everything is given in this application very well. Even the complex things like brachial plexus anatomy, everything is given in this application. To give you an example, I have opened MRI of brain, and as we are scrolling the images, we can see that the labeled structures are being shown with the help of markers on the images. We can select the sequence that we want to see. For example, I have selected T2 sequence, and suppose if all the structures like sulci, gyri, brainstem, arteries, veins, everything is selected, then it will become very congested to see on the images. So we can unselect the things that we don't want to see. Now we have selected just the sulci, and when we are scrolling, we are just getting the names of various sulci with their location pointed with the arrows. Now let's say I will see the ventricles now, and now as I have selected the ventricles, so only the ventricles have been labeled in the images of MRI brain. Now I will select both the ventricles as well as the arteries. So the images will show the ventricles labeled as below and the arteries are labeled with the red marker. So through this process we can see various structures with corresponding images on MRI of brain. Now I shall give you an example of shoulder MRI that is given in this application. So on scrolling the images, we can see the various anatomical structures in the axial section of shoulder MRI, and we can select the sequence that we want to see. Like I have selected PDs per sequence now, and I am unselecting the things that I don't want to see. For example, I have unselected everything and only the muscles I want to see in the current images. So on scrolling, we can get the various muscles labeled in this application. We can correspond to our scan and we can report our scan very easily with the help of this application. And we can select what section, like what format, like coronal or sagittal we want to see, and we can change the images according to that also. The name of application is e-anatomy by IMAOS. For Apple users, you have to get a subscription on monthly or yearly basis. But the good news is that for Windows laptop user or for Android mobile users, you can get it free of cost from me. You can connect with me on my Instagram, which is given below. And I keep on sharing various radiological cases, as well as in my stories I keep on sharing radiological quizzes on a daily basis, and I am making reels nowadays for radiological cases, so you can get connected with me and you can get this application free of cost in your mobile phones or in your laptops. Thanks a lot for watching.